Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum to my dear students. I hope you all are fine. Today we are going to revise our previous lesson, which is festivals. Now dear student, we have already learned this lesson in our previous class, online class. Now dear students, let's start revision of the lesson. First of all, dear students, we discussed that what is a meaning of festival and what is a definition of festival. So dear student, a festival is a time for fun, joy and celebration, or you can also say a festival celebrates a special event that took place in the past. Dear students, a festival is a time for fun, joy and celebration, or you can also say a festival celebrate a special event that took place in the past. Now dear students, we have two types of festival. There are two types of festivals. These are religious festivals and national festivals. First of all, dear students, we discussed that what are religious festivals. The followers of every religion celebrate special days. These special days are called religious festivals. Dear students, some festivals are connected to religion. You know that most of the Pakistanis are Muslims. So the people follow religion of Islam are known as Muslims. So religious festivals are those festivals which are related to our religion. We are Muslims, so we are related to Islam. Understand? Muslims follow the religion of Islam. So in our country, majority of the people are living who are Muslims. So the followers of every religion celebrate special days. These special days are called religious festivals. Now what are religious festivals and what are the examples of religious festivals? These festivals are Eid al-Fitr, Eid al-Azha and Eid Miladun Nabi. Dear students, religious festivals are related to our religion. So we are Muslim, and Islamic religious festivals are Eid al-Fitr, Eid al-Azha and Eid Miladun Nabi. Now dear students, we discussed that what are national festivals. Those days which are celebrated all over the country are known as national festivals. Dear students, national festivals are those days which are celebrated all over the country. In Pakistan, we celebrate other special days too. So other special days too are known as national festivals. Understand? What are national festivals? These are Pakistan Day, Labor Day, Independence Day, Quaid-e-Azam Day. In Pakistan, we celebrate Pakistan Day, Labor Day, Independence Day and Quaid-e-Azam Day. National festivals, those days which are celebrated all over the country, are known as national festivals. Now dear students, religious festivals. The followers of every religion celebrate special days. These special days are called religious festivals. Those special days which are related to our religion are known as religious festivals. So first of all, we discussed that how we celebrate Eid al-Fitr. We are Muslim, So our Islamic religious festival is Eid al-Fitr. How Muslims celebrate Eid al-Fitr? Muslims celebrate Eid al-Fitr on the first day of Shawwal. When you have a question that when Muslims celebrate Eid al-Fitr, so you can answer like this, that Muslims celebrate Eid al-Fitr on the first day of Shawwal. When you have a question that when Muslims celebrate Eid al-Fitr, so you can answer like this, that Muslims celebrate Eid al-Fitr on the first day of Shawwal. When you have a question that how Eid al-Fitr are celebrated by the Muslims, so you can say Muslims celebrate Eid al-Fitr on the first day of Shawwal. They pray at Eidgah, they wear new clothes, greet each other and have a feast. They also eat a lot of sweets. Children get Eid gift, usually money and many treats. Understand? Now Eid al-Adha. Eid al-Adha is another Islamic religious festival. When Eid al-Adha is celebrated, Eid al-Adha is celebrated on the 10th day of Zilhijjah to celebrate the sacrifice of Hazrat Ibrahim alayhi salam. Eid al-Adha is celebrated on the 10th day of Zilhijjah to celebrate the sacrifice of Hazrat Ibrahim alayhi salam. Eid al-Adha is the Islamic religious festival of Muslim. Now another we have the Islamic religious festival, which is Eid Miladun Nabi. Eid Miladun Nabi is the religious festival of Muslims. It is a day of great importance for Muslims because it is the birthday of the Holy Prophet Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam, and it is celebrated on the 12th of Rabiul Awwal. When you have a question that when Eid Miladun Nabi is celebrated, so you can answer like this: it is celebrated on the 12th of Rabiul Awwal. So dear students, we have 3 religious festivals: Eid al-Fitr, Eid al-Adha and Eid Miladun Nabi. Now national festivals. Those festivals which are celebrated all over the country are known as national festivals. In Pakistan, we celebrate national festivals. National festivals are Pakistan Day, Labour Day, Independence Day and Quaid-e-Azam Day. Now dear students, in Pakistan we celebrate national festivals. These national festivals are Pakistan Day, Labour Day, Independence Day and Quaid-e-Azam Day. You can also say Kite Day. Now dear students, 23rd March is the Pakistan Day. On this day in 1940, Muslim leaders decided to form a new and separate country called Pakistan. 1st May is a Labour Day. It's a national festival. It is celebrated all over the world as a special day for those who work hard during the year. All working people have a holiday. When Labour Day is celebrated, so you can say that 1st May is a Labour Day or 1st May is celebrated as Labour Day. Now 25th December. 25th December is the birthday of Quaid-e-Azam. So Muslims celebrate or Pakistanis celebrate Quaid-e-Azam Day in Pakistan because Quaid-e-Azam is the founder of Pakistan. So we are living in a country named Pakistan. So people in Pakistan celebrate Quaid-e-Azam Day on 25th December. Now, dear students, in a country many religious people are living. So in Pakistan, majority of Muslims are living, but as well as other religious people are also live. They are Sikh, Christians, etc. So Christians celebrate Christmas Day on 25th December as well. So in Pakistan, Muslims celebrate Quaid Day on 25th December and Christians celebrate Christmas Day on 25th of December. Christmas Day is a religious festival of Christians. It is also Christmas Day for the Christians who celebrate the birth of Jesus Christ. When you have a question that when Christmas Day is celebrated, so you can say 25th of December. Now, dear students, there are some other festivals like Diwali, Holi, Dussehra, Basant and Nowruz. These are other festivals. Now, first of all, we discussed that what is Diwali. So, Diwali is the Hindus' festival of lights. You can see Diwali is the Hindus' festival of lights. Now, Holi is the spring festival of the Hindus. Holi is the spring festival of the Hindus. Now, Basant is a spring festival celebrated in February in the Punjab. People wear bright festive clothes and fly kites in the sky. Basant is a spring festival celebrated in February in the Punjab. People wear bright festive clothes and fly kites in the sky. Nowruz is a festival. It is the traditional Iranian New Year holiday. It is celebrated on 21st March. Special dishes are prepared for this day and special prayers are said. Now, dear students, here we have a question that why festivals are important. So, festivals are like glue in our life that keeps us attached to relationships in society. When we are together as a family, friends and society, it creates a sense of unity. When the family is connected to festivals, it is a most precious and joyful time. So, dear students, this is all about your chapter festivals. Thank you.